Welcome to English classes with Dr. Rajiv. So in this lecture, I'm going to tell you about how to tell your past habits. So what are the past habits? Past habits are actually those habits which you did in the past when you were a child, but now you have left it. Now you don't do it. So past habits are those habits which you did in the past, but now you don't do it. So how to tell about your past habits we shall discuss in this lecture. Uh, You can say your past habits like these. He has studied many hours every day. He has studied many hours every day. I played football in the evening. I played football in the evening. I went to visit my cousins every summer. I went to visit my cousins every summer. She always carried an umbrella. She always carried an umbrella. So you can say your past habits this way. Or he has studied many hours every day. Or if you studied many hours every day, you can say like that. I studied many hours every day. Yeah, I played football in the evening. If you played football in the evening, fine. If you play something different, you can say, I played cricket in the evening. I went to visit my cousins every summer. Or you can say like that. If you went somewhere else, you can say like that. I went to visit my uh, friends every summer. You can also say like that, she always carried an umbrella. So in these structures, you see that simple past is there. This is the word for simple past, right? Simple past and then the time expression is there. So you can use simple past verb with time expression. You can say about your past habits. So here you can say like this one. And this also you can see like this, played football, uh, played, and then in this one in the evening. Alright, so this is simple past expression for simple past, and this is the time expression. Now this is again simple past and time expression is there every summer. So this way you can say like that. Here in this one, so you have used always, so you don't need to use the time expression. Alright, this is actually the time expression itself. See always. Now carried, this is the word for simple past. So you can use this word simple past plus time expression for telling about past habits. So he has studied many hours every day. I played football in the evening. I went to visit my cousins every summer. She always carried an umbrella. You can say like that. But do you think that is the only way how to say about your past habits? It's not like that. You have other ways also, other expressions also. Now, what are those expressions? Just see. Now, in this one, in these sentences, you can say the same things in this way also. This you said in the beginning. Now I will say these things. So these expressions can also be said for telling about the past habits. He used to study many hours every day. He used to study many hours every day. I used to play football in the evening. I used to visit my cousins every summer. She used to carry an umbrella. So in this one, you have used the word used to plus the infinitive. Infinitive means the first form of the verb. So this is verb study and this is the first form of the verb. So for the first form of the verb, you say infinitive. Alright, so use to plus is first form of the verb infinitive. Use to plus first form of the verb infinitive. Use to first form of the verb that is infinitive. Alright, use to first form of the verb infinitive. So you can say these expressions to tell about the past habits. So actually these can also be used with verbs like some state verbs. So state verbs are those verbs in which you tell about the state of affair. You don't say about simply the action verbs. So here we have used all action verbs, all right. So state verbs are those verbs like you can say like, hate, love, etc. These are state verbs. So with used to, you can use the state verbs also. I used to, I used to hate him. I used to hate him. All right. So this one you can use also in this one. So for past habits, you can say he used to study many hours every day. I used to play football in the evening. I used to visit my cousins every summer. She used to carry an umbrella. So these are the expressions for expressing your past habits. But this is not again the only the second one. There are the other options also. Now, what are the third option? Just see this is the third way. You can say or tell about your past habits this way also. I would study many hours every day. I would study many hours every day. I would play football in the evening. I would visit my cousins every summer. She would carry an umbrella. So you can use these expressions. Would plus again infinitive. Alright. Would plus again infinitive. So this way also you can say sentences to tell about your past habits. She would carry an umbrella. So one thing you should remember, that when you use the word would plus infinitive, then in this one you should use action verbs only. Use action verbs only. Alright, so these are the action verbs. So if you want to say about the state of affairs, then in that case you can say used to. Alright, but this is also, that is simple past plus infinitive, the plus time expression, that is also for action verbs. And third one, this is also for action verbs. Would study. I would study many hours every day. I would play football in the evening. I would visit my cousins every summer. She would carry an umbrella, like that. So these are the ways how you can express about your past habits. Now this is your turn. You just remember, recall your past habits and give words to it. Tell about your past habits to others and tell about your friends' past habits also. So with this, I close my lesson. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you like it, then definitely you should put comments, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you once again.